In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an account or restore a deleted account in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever found yourself needing to manage your accounts more effectively by either removing unnecessary ones or retrieving accidentally deleted ones, this guide is just for you. QuickBooks Online makes this process quite intuitive, so let's dive into it step by step to ensure everything is as clear as possible. Firstly, you'll want to open your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is your central hub for everything accounting, and it's quite easy to navigate once you get the hang of it. If you're by your computer right now, head over to QuickBooks Online and log into your account. This will bring you to the home page where all the magic begins. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find various navigation options. Look for the Accounting section. This is where you'll find the Chart of Accounts. Click on Chart of Accounts to access the list of every account that's set up in your QuickBooks. Now, with the Chart of Accounts open, you'll see a detailed list of all your accounts. To proceed with deleting or restoring an account, you'll need to interact with the account you're interested in. To do that, locate the drop-down menu, which is usually represented by a small arrow or 3 dots next to the account you want to edit. Go ahead and click on that drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find various options that allow you to modify the selected account. For example, to delete an account that may no longer be in use or that you've added by mistake, simply choose the Delete option. QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm this action, ensuring that no accidental deletions occur. This additional step is crucial because once an account is deleted, it's removed from your active lists. However, don't worry. QuickBooks Online doesn't fully erase the account immediately, so you can still recover it if needed. Finally, if you find yourself needing to restore a deleted account, you will once again navigate to the Chart of Accounts. Here you should look for the Settings icon or section, which will allow you to adjust your viewing preferences. By default, deleted accounts are hidden from view. But within these settings, you can change the filter preferences to display deleted accounts. Once they're visible, simply select the Restore option from the drop-down menu beside the account to bring it back to life. And that's it. Whether you're tidying up your lists or recovering important data, QuickBooks Online provides a straightforward way to manage your accounts. Don't forget to save your changes when you're done to ensure everything stays updated. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further instruction, feel free to reach out. Happy accounting!